Everyone scoot this way more.
Scoot over.
Watch, they're gonna be like, wait.
Just because I greet people doesn't mean I can talk to a camera.
Are you flashing?
Pretend it's mom.
That's time, yeah.
No, it's a video.
It's a video.
Just gonna pretend it's a customer.
Oh, welcome to Sushi Tango.
Welcome to Sushi Tango. How many are with you today?
Welcome to Chipotle. What would you like?
Bar or a table. What's up, guys? It's Biofreaks. As you can,
Biofreaks!
As you can see, we have new people. New people, introduce yourself.
Andrew, Eric, Bert. And we have old people.
Vince.
Yeah.
This is Brad.
Keep going.
Tim.
Oh, I'm Tim.
You said new people, introduce yourself.
I'm Donovan. We're all new. There's a whole new Biofreaks this year. Something you've never seen before.
2014. Season 3.
New year, new crew. Season 2 for him. I did not plan this out, so hello. Yeah, as you can see, new people. We're gonna come up with new routines, brand new routines. We're gonna see how many we can get this year. And
Be prepared to check us out. We got some new routines for you. Sexy as hell.
Yeah.
New moves.
New moves, new styles,
Whole
new
new
faces.
style for you.
New year, new Biofreaks.
And we're gonna say farewell to Brad, because he's gonna do his own thing now.
Yeah.
He's gonna go become a porn star.
Yeah.
Home porn star.
Be ready for us.
Yeah.
Run to the camera!
Oh.
Go, 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 go.
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go.